Hi and welcome to the channel. Luis made a request to analyze Ecolab, so let's take a look. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Ecolab has a market cap of $42 billion, the current stock price is 149.39 and they operate in the chemicals industry. If we compare to the S&P 500, they have actually underperformed it. They did fine until about a year ago, then it has dropped off quite a lot. And this is with dividends reinvested. Now some financial data. On average, the sales the past 5 years has been actually negative 0.6%, so we start off with an X. The earnings per share is also negative, minus 1.2%. That's also an X. The analyst expects future earnings though to be at 12.6%. The return on capital is also a bit low, only 7%. And the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is quite low. It would take them 8.6 years to pay off their debt. Now some yield data. The dividend yield is only at 1.4%, the threshold is 2%, so this is also an X. Last year they actually bought back some shares, 0.76% of them, so that's a check mark. They have an acceptable payout ratio at about 44%, and they are growing this dividend at about 6.6%. And they have actually been growing it for consecutive 28 years. So quite okay dividend data, a bit low yield, but the sales and earnings not that impressive. This makes up of a total of 5 out of 10 points. Let's check the valuation. Here we have Ecolab in fast graphs, and this is for a 15-year period with 3 years projection out in the future. The orange line is the earnings, and up till the disease they had quite stable earnings growth. Then it dropped off quite a lot in 2020, but it's starting to pick up again. The dividend is also increasing very steadily. And if we take a look at the right, we can see that the credit rating is at the A rating, and the earnings growth is about 8.7%. which is actually slightly better than the S&P 500 during this period. If we compare to the normal valuation, which is actually quite high at the PE of 28, and the current stock price, we can see that it got a bit disconnected in 2019, and here at 2020 and 2021 the earnings actually went down, but the stock price continued to go up. There's been a correction lately though, and right now if we project out to late 2024, analyst expects an annual return of about 10%. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest videos where I reviewed a subscriber portfolio. See you soon!